Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to another Coding Not So Everyday Until I Get a Job. This is day 158, closing into 156. Sorry, 157. Sorry, 160. So, without further ado, let us continue with D. I forgot what we were trying to make. I think it was another lab. Let's get straight into it, I guess. We're still on the event loop. And I guess we should experiment a little bit, yeah. I guess we should just make a new file. Okay, oh shoot, wait. Do we always okay, we see okay. We're not given the styles and we don't have the script. So I think it should be nice that we just make it using your Vim. Let's make the what's the icon toggler. Okay, cd icon toggler. Let's do touch. I don't know if touch is available. Let's do index.html, or let's just do nvim index.html. Let's copy the whole thing. Nice. Show element can self-close. Yes, it can. What? Never mind. Okay. I don't know why I did that. Okay, so we need to make styles.css as well as the script.js. So I think that's good for now. I forgot. Do you like write this script here? I forgot. Yeah. Okay. Why is it invalid nesting? What was that supposed to mean? Okay. Let's check the example project. Okay. Sorry. So we're gonna center everything. We're gonna make a div center. Okay, let's see if I can still use some vanilla CSS because I'm not gonna lie, I forgot about it as well. So what I'm thinking is that we need like the main div, and then inside the main div we have the supply div. The art supply, it's another div, and this one is like the list div by itself. So let's just try to follow it. We're gonna do some CSS as well, even though I'm not gonna lie, I already forgot some vanilla. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I think I'm gonna look at the docs a lot, and because I forgot a lot of the stuff from CSS. Yeah, I forgot a lot of CSS, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, let's go. Oh, there is an LSP. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh no, that's not what I want. Can we do div? Yeah. Class. Ah, the thing is, I could. Ah, okay. No, this is gonna be a bit hard, but that's okay. We're going to go switch back and forth. Main. Inside of the main, we have that top div, and then we have another div, and that div is this have ul. The unordered list should have a class of item list. Then, oh, oops. Okay. The three list items should contain the item name followed by a button element with the class favorite icon. Oh, okay. Wait. Let me check again the example project. So that means, is it like a div of their own? Like, okay, we have the main class div here. This is the div for this one, and then we have another div for this wrapper, and then next to the ul there is, can we do that? I think we can do that, right? Yes. Let's give it a try. I don't know if it will work or not, but we'll see. So besides a few, can we have like div in here? Ah, so okay, we can't do that. Okay. Is the u okay? You know, we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Let's just do these nuts. I think we can use some SVGs. Like, I don't know. I think I remember working on some SVGs. Can we add button here? I don't think so. What's like the best way to make it like this? Yeah. Damn, I really even forgot how to make basic layouts. Does it have to be on ordered list? Well, we can make this a grid. Or like a table, and then just like remove the, huh. I actually don't know how to make it. Damn. Thank goodness we take this. Ah, okay, roger that. The thing is, this one, right? Okay. Okay, let's just do some gibberish first. Not gibberish, sorry. I know that this wouldn't work, except if it's like a... I forgot vanilla CSS. Oh my god. I don't think this will work right away, but let's figure this out. Okay, at least it has something. You know, it's not entirely bad. I'm not entirely sure how did he remove that. This though, it looks nice. I mean, I could just go to developer tools and see how this person did it, but Hello, hello. I think it's easier if you open your browser, you're up in your browser directly. Try to and drop it to your browser. Yes. I'll try the sandbox. Genie Elite, hello, and Mr. I still don't know. I don't know how YouTube allows that code. Do you just like use a random name generator to make that, or? Okay. This is totally not necessary, but just call me B then. Okay, Mr. B. Roger that. I'm sorry, but I have to. Okay. What if it's wanna be center center? I know we can do the yeah like this. Let's just do this. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. It's been a while. Okay. Okay, not the script, but the index. Okay. So we have the main. So it's gonna be the main dot main. It's going to be display flex justify. Oh my god. Center and align items. Center. Yeah, okay. This is not fun because CSS requires like um yes, practicing. See. You know what? Yeah, let's just do it in the browser because using the NeoVim is quite hard because we don't see any feedback. Oh shit, that's not what we want. Okay, dot main. We do display flex, justify center, center, and then align items. But is it justify send? Oh, sorry, justify content. There we go. Nice. It is still not in the center. Why is it not center? Center, yeah. What? Okay. You know what? I'm sorry. I'm probably embarrassing myself because I forgot how to do CSS, but X direction call. Huh, okay. This one is the, okay, this one I suppose, okay, wait. I'll open this to the other side. Okay, that looks okay. Okay, now what's next? You're absolutely right. Yes. I am 24. Did it change? No? No? Okay. I think monospace is the browser default, so yes, okay, nice. So we have that, and the next part that we need to do, how can we remove this? Yeah, how to remove that? Typing HTML, yeah, I usually just use like either the other code editor because they have like snippets and they have like key bindings that would help to make it write faster. But with this, like it's already like a sandbox either way, so it's just gonna do some Yeah, when we change something, it's gonna reload right away. So I think that's nice. Okay, how can we remove this button styling here? No, it's not that. It's not align. It's the I forgot. Agree. There we go. Nice. I don't think we need to make it the same, right? Um, the chat panel hinder the output, by the way. Maybe put it at the bottom of your screen. The chat panel, which hinder the output. Ah, okay. The chat panel from. Okay, wait 1 second. There we go. I'll put it there. I think that's better. Sorry. Yeah, yeah. I forgot. Sorry. And my face is on the way, right? Okay. Or you know what? Let's just customize it later. Yep, it's better. Roger that. Okay. Okay, let's give it list style. No. Let's give it list style. Can we? Let's give it an outline just so that we can see that it's actually the correct. That is not what I want. Fudge. Okay. Well, better than nothing. No, nothing. Okay, then you know what? Is it query select query select all? Query selector all? Query selector all, or query selector all? It's going to take the class of favorite icon. Or we can just console log like button just so that we can see. Okay, it's empty. Undefined.
Hello everyone, in this particular video we will look at that how to add and remove CSS classes on elements with the help of plain JavaScript. It is a super handy skill for making the interactive pages. So let's understand that how we can do it. So initially I have made some HTML for you, that is we are having a paragraph which is having ID as my text and there's written that this is some text, right? Now we are having two different buttons. The first button is for add button, that is having the content which is add highlight, and the second is remove button which is for remove highlight. Now what is this highlight? Well, this highlight is going to be a CSS which we are going to write here, highlight, like this. Now inside of this we will write some of the CSS like background color as yellow, right, and padding as padding wait yeah padding as some 10 pixel, right, whatever you want you can add it at your own. Border as 10 pixel, solid orange, like this. So this is a CSS which we have written at our own. Now we will apply it dynamically, right? So for that let me do it here only, not the external CS JavaScript, right? So what we are going to do, we are first going to apply the DOM manipulation and take out certain elements, all the elements basically. So we'll write const text my text get elements and similar remove button, like this. So whenever, right, whenever this is what this is the button, right? So I'm going to apply a event listener. So whenever you click on the button, and inside of this we'll write text dot, since you have seen here that the style I have created is basically based on a class. I'm having dot here, right? And this highlight is not present anywhere inside the elements, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to put this particular class dynamically into our element, right? So that's why we are having text dot class list, right? Text is what, this particular my text, this paragraph, right? This is not having any class, but when you write class list dot what, add, right? So what we are doing, we are adding a class to this particular paragraph, and that class is what, highlight, right? This particular highlight, we are going to add this particular class. Now similarly, just we are applying the reverse of it for the remove button, right? So let's just copy it down and paste it here. Now for the remove button, we are going to write the remove button here, right? And we are also applying the event listener for it on it. So whenever you click the remove button, it will call a function, and that particular function is doing what, it is actually not adding but it is removing. So we'll write text.classlist.remove, means if that particular text, means paragraph, is having a class highlight, in that case if you click on the remove button, it will remove the highlight from the class, right? Yeah, so it will work like the same. So let's just see that how actually it works. So let's go on our website and you can see this is some text, and we are having two different buttons, add highlight and remove highlight. When I click on highlight, you can see the CSS got applied. You can see this is the CSS, right? It is applied dynamically by just clicking on the button. Now when you click on the remove highlight, you can see the CSS is removed. So you can do multiple number of times when whatever you want, right? So this is how we can add the CSS.
Sorry, what was that? Message rejected. Okay, no worries. I don't want to spoil you. Okay. Can we do okay like that? Okay. So, but what we want to do is that when we click the like button, dot add event, it's in there. If it's a click, it's gonna create callback where so when we click this, it's gonna change the like button into maybe we can make some function here, like a function replace dot. Let's do button.
Highlight, right? This particular highlight. We are going to add this particular class. Now similarly, just we are
Classlist.add, yeah, classlist.add, classlist.
just copy it down.
Okay, wait. Well, array is an object in JS, yes, but it says it's just empty. So I think I'm not using the correct way to do it. So I guess we can try that. No, prefix is if you're using class, use dot prefix. If ID, use hashtag. No prefix is for element. No, 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 no. Okay. Why does it not grab those here? Let's try query. Okay, it's okay. How come it just doesn't? So it should be correct, right? Because this button, with every icon, but why is it empty? Is the IT job market really saturated, or are there still good opportunities? I think I think you got some. But it's just that it doesn't really show what's inside of it. Can I not? Okay, let's try to print those. Yeah, is it because just okay, okay. Actually, no. Yeah, we got them. Like we can see. Okay, never mind then. Okay. Holy shit, I've been in the same problem, simple stuff for an hour? God damn it. Sorry, just object. Yeah, okay. I remember hearing your tips today. I think currently stuck off the same mistake. Are you on Linux? I'm on Linux, and I think someone asked, "Is the IT jump really marker saturated?" So sorry, I was just yeah. Okay, that's supposed to work. I think it's just like times for my summer. I think it's fine if you forget. So I have to remind. Sorry. At least we got halfway there. Don't be sorry. Okay. It's just that I saw it took me 1 hour to realize that it's just I don't assume that if I tell you the answer, it's gonna be just right away. Sometimes it takes a while to click, and that's because I was the same way. I guess. Okay, so the thing is, it's already correct, but this is not what we want to make sure that like button for each blah, blah, blah. Can the callback function be like an if statement? I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna experiment. If like button. Oh, okay. If lm class list that contains, yeah. Okay. Class list that contains. So I think what we can do is we can do const is build equals to like button dot class is contains build, and then probably we can console.log build. Okay, that doesn't exist. Why does it not exist now? Class list. Okay, the class dot okay lm dot class list dot contains class list dot contains. Okay, and that is a callback function is just a function. Okay. Oh, wait, what? Callback function case principle toggle means on and off, which means boolean. Yeah, it is true. Even though you give clue, I can't. I don't understand what's that supposed to mean. Thinking in a way of holding a state. Let us click is false. Okay. How do you say string is inside string? The if should be inside the event listener. Okay. This call. Okay. Okay. I think I should start streaming in the morning because at night this is not working, is it? an event listener is straightforward. When this event happens, I always do something. Okay. 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 If it's clicked, move files. Okay. Okay. I started following another corner video YouTuber, and when I was making suggestions, he muted it because he refused help. Well, what is he or she doing? I need help. I need as much help as I can because this 150 days has proven that when I'm doing it alone, the progress are slow. It's just that this clicker. So it was styling really. He's kind of digging himself into a whole unnecessary prolonged debugging. I'm like, bro, I'm just trying to save you time. Understandable. Is click equals you can't have global is clicked because each button has their own click state. And you have to, the best one is when you are learning. Keep in mind you can't have, okay, and you have to make sure you reflect the change in his click when clicked. Important, know what he wrote because debugging is twice as hard as writing the code. Well, apparently this doesn't has the test case, so Okay, it doesn't pass the test case, but it did what it asks for. So but it stopped working and then it starts to work again. Okay, it works one and it's just stopped working. How does that work? Ah, okay. It should be outside of the else. Okay. Oh, so that, oh yeah, it doesn't, oh, okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, okay, it doesn't pass the test case. I don't know why. But it's supposed to work. Like, I have no idea why it doesn't pass the test case. You're only changing its click, but its click needs to change with every click. Okay, this one's supposed to work right because right now it's just work on every click, but it doesn't pass the test case. So I guess we should just admit defeat with this one, and it just doesn't follow the test case for some reason. No idea. When the button element is clicked and it contains the class field, is this like is this like switch supposed to be switch? You should remove the class field from the button element and change the inner HTML of the button element to this. When the button element is clicked and it doesn't contain the class field, which is this case, you should add the class field, which we did, or the one that we need to do is changing this first. Does that okay, no, doesn't work that way, but okay. I have no idea. Now the rest is not sharing the needs to change with every click. Now the rest is not sharing is click for all buttons. Hey, I can start from backend because I understand front end. Now the rest is not sharing. Okay, so that's why this work, right? But it's just this is already the same functionality as the example project, but they just won't give it to us the here. So I'm not sure what to do. I mean, it doesn't pass the test case, but it worked. So I'm not sure if that's a pass or not. Seriously, today I can only do one. That's insane. No, I mean like it did the same thing. Yeah, I mean like it already did the same thing, right? But it just doesn't accept the task case. The task case in free code camp is like very strict, but it did the job done. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Check your inspector. That element looks like when clicking. Okay, got it. 1 second. Okay, here is our buttons. See, it adds the class. It became field and it changed the thing. And now if we click, it removes the class and change the thing. It's the same. See? You can see here. I don't know if you guys could see. I think you guys could see, right? It's supposed to work, right? It adds field and change the icon. And if it's not, then it's the same. See? See, even this in HTML change, in HTML change, change, changed, and changed. So I'm not entirely sure why is it not working. Oh, even we can see the JavaScript right injected here. Oh, it's an iframe. Okay. So yeah, it's supposed to work, right? It's good, right? Yeah, I don't know. Some of the tests on free code camp is really like strict, but I guess I forgot. Like border, is it color first? No, it doesn't work. Okay, you know what? It's fine. Uh, what happens when we remove favorite icon class? Okay, like dynamically. You want to render it dynamically or like this is button favorite icon. It's like one of the test case as well. Like we need to have favorite icon for the button. Like if we remove that, this is gonna fail another test. Yeah, see, you reveal this unrestricted button with the class favorite icon. If I remove it, this is gonna fail another test, I guess. Okay, okay, if it's a requirement, then it's okay. Rohai, Rohai Hussein, what confuses you, man? Like I think just like Mr. Bestress and Mr. B said, like the tax like that you currently learning is the best. But if you're really confused, I guess flip a coin. Let fate decides for you. I don't know. Okay, you know what? Let's just start a different one, and we can just end it because it's already, oh, it's already 10. Ugh, okay. Ooh, what is the event object and event delegation? Ah, okay, so it's another property of the event listener, right? Oh, but an event, okay. Ah, okay. Does not fire when your user type in an input. The change event will only fire after they focus on another element. I see. So let's just say we want option one, and okay. Actually, I don't quite understand it. Wait, what? And the select value will be logged to the console. The change event still generates an event object, but unlike most other events, it does not generate a custom implementation. You will have access to or lose on the base event object. This differs from the input event, which generates a dedicated input event object. The change event also differs in a few ways. An input event will trigger when user types content into the field. Oh, okay. These differences are important to remember, as you might get tripped by timing of this event firing. When the input loses focus after its value has, I don't know. This is such a weird way to explain it, but I guess typing text into an input field without leaving it, I guess. How does the event object for the changed event differ from the event object from input? Okay, nice. I think we gonna need to read that again because what the fuck was that? All JS is derivative. If you get access to an element in the DOM, oh wow, we have a lot of people. Hello, finally. It's fun seeing the chat, so that I don't feel as alone. No, 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 I'm just kidding. Thank you. Error both are what? what you do essentially with JS is manipulate the markup that is rendered in the DOM. Help me more than random tech YouTubers. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining. Thank you. I guess for me, I personally don't use shampoo every day. Maybe 1 to 3 times per week. But yeah, I guess that's for me because I watched a video, or like I think I don't know where, but the person, I forgot, either that person is an actual um, dermatologist or something, but I think he or she mentioned that you shouldn't use shampoo every single day because the shampoo would, like, you need to let your natural hair oil to kind of be there, you know, your natural hair oil, but don't leave it out for too long and not using shampoo to, you know, kind of, because it gets like itchy, it gets like dirty if you don't use shampoo. So for me at least, use shampoo, but not every single day. I wash my hair every single day, but not every single day. I use shampoo and I have a hair tonic once a week, but that's it. But thank you. That really, and surprisingly, my brother cuts my hair. So yeah, I don't know if I still have the photo or not, but I think I have. Not that. Here, there we go. This is my brother cutting my hair at home. But I guess it's just like depending on your hair type, because everyone's hair type is different, right? Mine is the type that's just straight and fall with not much volume, especially if it's like longer. How does, okay, what if, okay, but okay, this works because the P doesn't contain anything. Wait, no, the P contains this whole okay, yeah, okay, maybe I need an example to understand the whole bubble up and delegation thing. Okay, I think we're gonna finish the stream here. It's already 2 hours. Thank you for helping me solve the problem, which okay, again, I guess the test doesn't really approve the method, but it works either way. Again, we have a lot of new people here. But yeah, we'll see. Wait 1 second. How much viewers we have? Because I think we have quite a bit of viewers tonight. Oh my god, 180, 187. Thank you, everyone. And we reached 90 hours. Cool. I still need 1,300 more, but thank you. Okay, let's. What? We have 6 people? Hello, hello. Welcome. This was this is me before I cut my hair. I don't know if you can see, but it was like this long before that long before it's short. So yeah, this is how I look. I think like 4 months ago. Okay, thank you very much for watching, everyone. I hope everyone have a great day, night, noon, whatever time zone you are in. Um, couldn't really do much today because this freaking lab thing and didn't even finish. But yay. Okay, so I will continue with a lot of the workshop and lab, and then I think this is will challenge us even more. I think we can just skim through some of the stuff that's not necessary, but all the certificate project maybe we can do to increase our chances of having more experience regarding JavaScript events, and yeah, maybe practice a little bit more for my CSS and things like that. But yeah, I think after the JavaScript is finished, I think I kind of want to learn Astro because I want to make a blog. I know I could just write HTML and everything, but I kind of want to try something, and so that I can add some more stuff to the CV, which is totally unnecessary. But uh, um, is it here? No, it's not here. It's here. Is it? I don't. I'm not sure. Okay, it's here. Okay, yeah, I already made this, so maybe we should. I want to try to use Astro to make that, and I have a few projects in mind on like uh websites for like businesses that I want to make with this, because static, right? So, or I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But this is still a long way, anyways. Dude, you with long hair makes you straight fighter. Yeah, especially this with the local CRUD, things like that. It should be fun before moving into like framework again. So yeah. Again, thank you very much for watching, everyone. See you on another day. I don't know when can I do it again. It's either on I might can I don't know, maybe I can do it again on Friday or Saturday, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, have a great day, everyone. See you on the next one. Bye bye. And thank you for watching. And yeah, which Street Fighter? Which fighter? Okay, good night. Bye bye.